Are you trying to find gadgets which can help make life simpler for seniors or the mobility impaired? Today, we'll review the top 15 Amazon gadgets, which are simply wonderful at helping boost the independence, safety, and convenience of the end user. Ranging from smart home gadgets to aid gadgets, these are just but a few of the gadgets which can help simplify the lives of the mobility impaired, whether it is cooking, cleaning, and staying in touch. Number 1. Seat Cushion. The Figa Large Ergonomic Seat Cushion is made to relieve tailbone, lower back, or sciatica pain associated with prolonged sitting. The U-shaped hollow and contoured edges are designed to match the human form. Such an item measures 19.5, 5 by 15.68 by 4.96 inches, and comes with an extra thick layer made of high-density memory foam that's soft yet firm. Its non-slip base provides safety for use on office chairs, wheelchairs, airplanes, or automobile seats. The product comes with a removable and machine-washable cover for easy breathing. This product can be used for traveling, gaming, or the office, and comes with an affordable current market price of $25.99. Number 2. Able Life Vehicle Support Handle. The Able Life Vehicle Support Handle is a lightweight mobility device that can be used to assist seniors and people with a range of disabilities in getting in or out of their cars safely. Weighing a bare 0.35 pounds, it can be conveniently used in any car without the need for any kind of adjustments. It measures 6.5 inches in length and 1.5 inches in width. Thus, it can be conveniently kept in the glove compartment or in a woman's purse. The non-slip handle comes in a range of colors like blue, lavender, or red, supporting a maximum weight of 300 pounds. It can be acquired for the affordable price of $14.99. Number 3. Electric Floor Lift. The Vokic Upgrade. Electric Floor Lift is a heavy-duty, professional-grade lift chair specifically designed to safely raise the elderly, disabled, or people who have fallen on the floor. The newly designed T-shaped carbon steel base supports up to 440 pounds, up to 46% more than most competitors, while the one-piece foldable design makes storage easy. Equipped with ergonomic armrests, safety belts, and memory foam cushions, the electric lift chair guarantees safe and comfortable transfer without risking an 80% chance of falling while shifting. The optimized wheels make room-to-room movement easy to manage for caregivers, reducing strain. Recommended by professional paramedics, it is ideal for homes or rehabilitation centers. With a 1-year warranty and 24/7 care support, the Vokic Floor Lift will definitely turn out to be trustworthy for facing daily mobility challenges at $599.99. Number 4. Shower Chair. The Drive Medical 12445 KD-1 shower chair offers the convenience of a lightweight and strong bathing seat intended to improve safety and comfort during the bathing process. Made of strong aluminum, the chair has a sleek design with minimal weight of only 10 pounds. Portability between the bathtub and the storage area has never been so convenient with the Drive Medical shower chair. Despite being light in weight, the chair supports users of up to 350 pounds. In addition to the comfortable seating, it offers to patients with mobility issues. The chair has non-skid bottomed legs to avoid slips during bathing. This makes it the best choice to incorporate the Drive to deliver innovative healthcare solutions to the market with its affordable price tag of just $39.99. Number 5. Health Smart Toilet Seat Risers. The Health Smart 5-inch elevated toilet seat riser has been developed for enhanced comfort and safety for the elderly post-surgical patients, as well as those suffering from mobility issues while using the toilet. This product assists the user by increasing the toilet height by 5 inches for easy sitting and standing positions. The product has some safety features such as 5 non-slip rubber pads, making it more stable and safer for the users, and has the capacity to carry 300 pounds of weight, thereby making it ideal for daily uses in the toilet for the users. The Health Smart 5-inch elevated toilet seat riser is portable and very important for the safety and health of the buyer, considering it is priced at just $27.99 and is also an FSA/HSA qualified item. Number 6. Vokic Walkers for Seniors. The Vosic Walkers for Seniors Rollator Transport Chair combines the advantages of a walker and a transport chair to improve the mobility and independence of senior citizens. Boasting improved non-inflatable rubber wheels and a prolonged backrest, this product ensures a safer seating experience and a more comfortable glide over varying terrain surfaces. The lightweight, foldable unit, only 26.7 pounds, that can be easily folded, using one hand allows convenient transport to any location, whether stored in a car trunk or taken on a plane. The one-touch mechanism allows the user to take the product through doorways easily up to a maximum width of 24 inches. Of great benefit to senior citizens, the product enables independent living at the affordable price of $229.99. Number 7. ETAC Turner PRO. The ETAC Turner PRO Patient Transfer Aid has been designed as a high-performance sit-to-stand transfer aid, specifically designed to ensure safer and easier patient transfers in the elderly and mobility-impaired patients. This transfer aid has the capacity to hold a weight of 440 pounds and weighs only 16.5 pounds, and is therefore the best aid in tight spaces and efficient in performing sit-to-stand transfers. The aid has an improved handle that makes it more distinguishable and comfortable leg supports that ensure stability and patient comfort throughout the transfer process. The aid has a compact foot plate that fits around the wheelchair, bed, or toilet, and also a non-slip and rotating pivot disc that performs well on all types of floors, even on carpets. This transfer aid sells at a retail price of $389.98. Number 8. Fastlock Tafty Couch Stand Assist. The Fastlock Tafty Couch Stand Assist is a highly malleable mobility aid which can assist seniors, pregnant women, disabled patients, and post-operative patients in safely getting up from a sitting position. Incorporating a robust dual handle system and having a weight capacity of 450 pounds, this stand assist offers great support in preventing patients from falling. Being highly adjustable in terms of both height, measuring 23.62 to 28 inches, and width, measuring 15 to 19 inches, ensures compatibility with all types of couches, whereas the protective PU armrests provide patients with optimal grip support. Easy to install and weighing very less, this mobility assistance can be easily transferred from one room to another. The stand assist can be bought at just $109.99. Number 9. Tub Transfer Bench. The 12011 KD-1 Tub Transfer Bench by Drive Medical provides safer, more independent bathing for seniors and those who have limited mobility. Constructed of sturdy aluminum, the bench is capable of supporting up to 350 pounds, providing reliable stability and longevity. Its height-adjustable legs feature dual-column extensions, allowing for 0.5-inch incremental adjustments to provide a comfortable fit for a wide variety of tubs and different user needs. A supportive backrest and a wide seating surface contribute to the added comfort of this transfer bench, while drainage openings and suction cup feet contribute to safety by preventing slipping. The transfer bench is lightweight and easy to slide into and out of the tub, promoting confidence during bathing. Backed by Drive Medical's drive for innovative healthcare solutions, this transfer bench promotes safety, independence, and comfort at $51.61. Number 10. Transport Wheelchair. The Wisjing Ultralight Transport Wheelchair is a folding and portable wheelchair, very much suitable for seniors and travelers who wish for comfort and convenience. With a weight of just 19 pounds, it has a sturdy aluminum alloy frame with a tower-shaped structure, which is strong and stable, supporting up to 220 pounds. With 6-inch front and 8-inch rear PU honeycomb wheels, one glides smoothly indoors and outdoors. The wheelchair can be folded and fits in compactly, 10.2 inches by 21.3 inches by 31.9 inches, to easily store or transport it by car trunk or an airplane. The seat cushion of this wheelchair is double layered and can be removed for easy cleaning. There is an integrated handbrake to ensure quick, safe stops. Without any installment, the Wisjing Transport Wheelchair offers a perfect combination of portability, comfort, and reliability, and there is a 1-year warranty worldwide for no-worry traveling. Number 11. Rurudozen 3 Wheel Mobility Scooter. The Rurudozen 3 Wheel Mobility Scooter is a sturdy, motorized scooter intended to offer adults and seniors a robust platform for reliable mobility across varying terrain. Features like the 800-watt motor and 330-pound weight capacity create a smooth and stable platform for transport that also promotes independence. The adjustable seating backrest provides comfort for the rider throughout longer rides. With the 3-speed functions, the rider can control the speed of the scooter effortlessly. Portable and foldable, the scooter can be conveniently moved from one location to another, making it the ideal scooter for active people. It also supports a range of attachments like cup holders, cushions, or umbrellas to provide a customized riding experience. Number 12. Dynaliving Toilet Safety Rails. The Dynaliving Toilet Safety Rails are sure to provide practical support while helping restore confidence for seniors, pregnant women, and those who are recovering from surgery or injury. Skillfully crafted from high-strength steel with solid oak armrests, these rails can support up to 480 pounds, with each armrest providing the ability to bear 240 pounds. The non-slip flip-up handrails rotate 65 degrees for space-saving convenience and feature anti-moisture, wear and tear discoloration resistance. With safety and stability in mind, they help prevent slips and falls while sitting down or standing up from the toilet. They can be easily mounted without any need for drilling into most toilet types, which makes them suitable for houses, hospitals, nursing homes, and hotels. The Dynaliving Toilet Safety Rails combine durability, comfort, and a practical design to offer superior bathroom protection and independence at a price of $105.99. Number 13. Neck Page Magnifier. The MagniPros. Gooseneck Page Magnifier is a powerful, rechargeable reading assistant intended for seniors and people with low vision. With a 5x magnification and a large 4.5 inches by 7 inches optical-grade acrylic lens, it offers clear and broad viewing of small print without the need for constant hand movement. Its anti-glare lens, together with 24 ultra-bright SMD LEDs, reduces eye strain, while 3 adjustable lighting modes, cool white, warm, and combo cater to changing reading conditions. At just 4 ounces, this lightweight companion boasts an ergonomic grip that ensures comfortable use over extended periods. In addition, after only a quick charge, the reading can be prolonged up to 10 hours by soft illumination. Strong, efficient, and at the same time user-friendly, this magnifier is an ideal tool for reading, crafts, and hobbies for $24.95. Number 14. Keywing Key Turner Aid. The Keywing Key Turner Aid is a simple yet effective tool designed to make turning keys easier for seniors, individuals with hand weakness, or those with conditions like Parkinson's or arthritis. Its cap-style thumb turn provides extra leverage, reducing the effort and strain on fingers, hands, and wrists. Vibrant, easily identifiable colors help users quickly find the right key, while dimpled domes offer a secure, comfortable grip, preventing slips and drops. Lightweight and slim, it slides into pockets effortlessly and attaches to keys using a clip-on design or adhesive pads. No need to remove the keyring. Compatible with flat Yale-style keys, the Keywing enhances independence and confidence in daily life at $14.99. Number 15. Neck and Shoulder Massager. The Comfier Shiatsu. Neck and Shoulder Massager is a multifunctional full-body massager that is meant to ease muscle tension and ultimate relaxation. With its 3D kneading roller shiatsu massaging feature, combined with 8 rotators, it provides a very affirming shiatsu experience for the entire body, including the legs, calves, feet, as well as other areas of your body like the back, waist, neck, and shoulders. In addition, its heat feature is perfect for muscle relief, making its ergonomic U-shaped massaging feature fit flawlessly in your body. It is very light, portable, and has home and car adapters, which is very handy when you are always on the go. A very thoughtful gift to your parents, seniors, or anyone you love is this massager at only $42.99, which is also qualified as FSA//HSA. And that's a wrap on this roundup for the top 15 Amazon products for assisting the elderly and people with mobility issues. These products are truly innovative, combining safety, comfort, and independence to make day-to-day tasks a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to learn about other products that can make your life better.